MadgeTech's data logger software features an engineering units function which allows users to convert data into a variety of measurement units for better analysis. In this tutorial, we will review how to create and apply engineering units using the Engineering Units wizard. This step-by-step video will use the example of a Process 101 data logger connected to a pressure sensor. The milliamp data collected from the Process 101 will be converted into PSI using an engineering unit. The engineering unit will be available on the computer it was created on. If you would like to use an engineering unit on multiple computers, see Device Units in the software manual. Let's get started. Open the MadgeTech software and download the data from your logger. Under the View menu, choose Engineering Units. The Engineering Units window will open. Select Engineering Units Wizard. The first screen provides a description of the Engineering Units wizard. Click Next to continue. The recorder unit type and recorder unit must be entered next. In this example, we are using a Process 101, so we select Current for the recorder unit type and milliamps for the recorder unit, and then choose Next. The Scaled Engineering Units screen will appear. This is where the user can define a description and label for the engineering unit. Since we want to convert milliamps to pressure, we enter pressure in the description box and PSI in the label area. Then we choose Next to continue. The Unit Scale screen will open. This is where the low and high scale points are entered. A common sensor output signal is 4 to 20 milliamps, so we will use this in our example. In the milliamp column, we enter 4 for the low scale point and 20 for the high scale point. In this example, we are converting to 0 to 300 psi. In the pressure column, enter 0 for the low scale point and 300 for the high scale point. The scaled range is dependent upon the sensor, not the data logger. This information is commonly found on the datasheet for the sensor. Below the scale point section, there is an offset and gain area. The MadgeTech software automatically fills in this data based on the high and low scale points that were entered above. Select Next to continue. The Engineering Unit ID screen will open. This window allows users to program an ID number for the new engineering unit. This feature is useful for organizing multiple engineering units. The Use Next Available ID is the default option and will program the engineering unit to the next consecutive unit ID. The Save These Units When the Program Closes checkbox makes the engineering unit available permanently in the software. Select Next to continue. The final window of the Engineering Units wizard will load. This window provides a review of the new engineering unit and a definition graph. If any changes need to be made, select the Back button. Otherwise, choose Finish. A new window will appear confirming the engineering unit has been created. Select OK. Close the Engineering Units window. On the graph, click on a data point and then right-click on the graph. Under Select Graph Units, choose the engineering unit that you would like to apply. The data is automatically converted.